What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about Dutch gardens, because you know what, I've never known peace until I stepped into a Dutch garden, and that is a fact. The serenity there was life-changing, like truly life-changing, and I've learned more about myself in the 2 weeks I've been in Europe and then the Netherlands than I have my entire life. And yeah, the whole thing makes me very emotional, and I can't wait to share with you guys everything we experienced and everything that we learned, because it was truly an amazing time, an amazing moments, and I will always cherish these moments for the rest of my life. I can guarantee that. But the serenity there was life changing, and that is why I want to make our yard into a big Dutch garden, having that cozy feeling. And so really, I came home with one mission: to bring that same magic into my own backyard, and that's exactly what we're doing. We were gifted a few flower seeds and vegetable seeds, and unfortunately I could not take them home. I was really sad about that. I'm still kind of sad about it, but that's alright. It is what it is. We gave it to somebody that's going to make us a little garden in Europe, and that's going to be awesome in itself. So we ended up getting some tulip bulbs, and the only spot we could get them was at the Schiphol airport. After we made it past customs, we were able to fill our bags with a bunch of tulip bulbs, and so that's what we did. Brought a bunch back, and we are going to make our own Dutch garden in our front lawn. So let's do it. Alright, guys, so this is gonna be where we start our Dutch garden. Right through here.
A fence or a hedgerow. It's already here, so we're gonna use it.
Yep.
Hedgerow or a fence or something there, back, and a gate here. That's gonna be separate. That's just gonna be the yard for Anthony to play. Maybe put some tulips off to the side, but we're gonna leave a big portion for him to play. Maybe get some fruit trees at some point too.
Oh, for sure.
To like line the driveway, maybe. We could like maybe line the driveway with fruit trees in the front, and then vegetables, tulips, whatever on the side, and then we still have that open for him to run around and play.
I was thinking tulip field right there.
Well, in the front strip, all the way, yeah, and then we still have we got enough room for all that tulip field spot to run around, and a couple rows of trees or something maybe along the side, like some fruit trees. It's big enough to do all of it.
Oh, you're way up there. Sheesh. Alright, so yeah, couldn't bring our seeds back, but we did get these right here.
Oh yeah, I'll let you do that before I start weed eating. I need to find a shovel to dig these couple ferns up.
We got these.
Oh, I forgot about that.
These, and these. A few of these we're going to give away, but yeah, we're going to start by placing these alongside here. And then of course we got to plant this little guy. Anthony got me this for Mother's Day. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Will be our first set. Put some around there. This is the aftermath of our 2-week vacation to Europe.
Well,
Now,
the aftermath was before we started cleaning it up.
right, well, now we gotta rake. Lots of raking. Alright.
This is just a temporary. I mean, we're gonna maybe add to it, change it up, but
Yeah.
this is gonna work for now at least, so we
Yeah.
don't mess up the tulips.
The start of our Dutch garden, you guys. We are so excited. So excited. Alright. First bulb going in.
I don't know if that's
6 to 8 inches.
that's
pointy end
1, 2,
going
that's, up. Yeah, that's 6 inches.
Oh yeah, that's good.
This should be good enough. I want to get rid of all this.
Yeah, throw it over the
mass
side.
and stuff. Yeah. That way it's just nice, soft soil.
Yeah, this is our final spots where we're putting the tulips. And then we also put a couple over here. This is a tree that Anthony climbs. He loves this tree. I love this tree actually.
It's hard to dig straight down with a knife.
Yeah, we don't have the proper tools right now. Well, we do. We can't. They're somewhere.
That's probably good enough.
Yep. Pointy end up. Second bulb in.
Look. It's like a claw. Get the rocks out. Thought I had them all out. It's not. Rocky soil here.
Yep. There we go. We'll see him in about 4 to 6 weeks. Guys, there's Ricky. Hi, baby. You sweetheart. Planting the last of the tulips. Okay, kitty. And there you have it, guys. Got them all planted. We'll see you in 4 to 6 weeks.